Hello and welcome to today's edition of our tutorials. Today's tutorial is going to be a very quick one because I am not really going to delay. We are going to look at the kind of things that I call the quick launches of the Microsoft suite. So if you claim to know about Microsoft programs, then this should be just on your fingertips. Without wasting time, I'll quickly want us to move to what the deal is for today. So in today's tutorial, I will be taking you through how you can quickly launch these Microsoft products or Microsoft softwares. We are taking it one by one from Microsoft Word. Let me also take this to announce to you that we will be having wonderful and lot of tutorials, very simple to understand tutorials on all of these Microsoft softwares or Microsoft products. We will be having wonderful, easy to understand tutorial. I'm taking these tutorials as if I'm doing it for an absolute beginner so that you can also come to the mastery. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment and share if you find this content worth it or what. So let's move quickly into action. We will be starting with Microsoft Word. So for me to be able to quick launch Microsoft Word, what I have to keep in mind is just this. Just that win word or win word, whichever way you pronounce it, it is okay for you. But let's take note of this starter. The starter is this. That is all. Windows key plus R. Somebody will say Win key plus R. Like I told you, in our tutorials, we take it very simple and explain it easily for people to understand. So somebody watching this video for the first time who doesn't know what Win key is will understand that there's this called Windows key. That is what I'm talking about. So whenever we are talking about the Win key, we are talking about this key on the keyboard. So that is the Win key. Don't forget it. That is the Win key. So we will add the Win key. Whenever you see plus, it means that just that. You are going to press and hold the first key, then press the second key. So you press and hold the Windows key and then you press the second key, which is R, whilst you are still holding the first key. So you don't have to remove your hand. Good. Let's quickly try it. Windows key R. This is what I'm talking about. It launches the run command. This is the name, run. So it launches the run command. Good. So once we have launched the run command, then if you want to open Microsoft Word, the only thing you have to type is win word. So let's type it and then press enter. This should be able to open Microsoft Word for you. So as a complete beginner, whilst you are moving up, these are some of the things that makes it lively for you to want to move on and learn more. So it has been able to launch successfully for us Microsoft Word. We will be having diverse tutorials on how to use this software. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get it, because these tutorials are coming very soon. Fine. Now that we are done with Microsoft Word, let us go to the second one. I told you, no time wasting. So what are you going to be typing now? Don't forget, this time around also we are going to launch run. So you press and hold the Windows key plus R, and then you type Excel. Yes, just Excel. So let's try it. Let's go. Let's do it. Run is opened, then we type Excel. It can be capital letters, it can be small letters. This is not case sensitive. When we say something is not case sensitive in this terrain, we are saying that it doesn't matter whether you type it capital or you type it small. Don't forget to like this video if you are learning something. So it successfully launched Microsoft Excel. This is the backstage of Microsoft Excel. Don't forget, we will be having a full tutorial from beginner to advanced with Microsoft Excel also. So like I've said already, click on the notification button so that whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you. Let's move on quickly to the next one. PowerPoint for presentations. So after we have opened Run, what we are going to be typing for PowerPoint is Power PNT or Power PNT. Yes. So let's try it. Run is opened. Enter. It is launched. You can have your presentations here. That is good. I'm so much excited that at least you are picking up things and then you are enjoying the class. Don't forget to leave a comment. I am enjoying. And then wherever you are watching us from, please comment your location in the comment section. Leave us a comment with where you are watching us from or where you are enjoying this tutorial from. Leave us in the comment section. Thank you so much. That is Power PNT or PowerPoint. This is the backstage. We will be having an in-depth tutorial, so don't forget. You already know it. Thank you. Let's quickly move on to the next one. It's Publisher. So Publisher is like the Microsoft's graphic design software. Yes, it has a lot of templates for you, just as the other ones that we have done before. We will be having a tutorial on that one also, so just stay tuned. Let's go quickly to this one too. So what are we going to type for Microsoft Publisher? Good. This one looks too short. Okay, anyways, it is also 5-letter words, just like Excel. So we are going to be typing MS Pub. Quickly, let's move on. Let's try it. Enter key. Yes, and then it's launched. We are back to the backstage also, and then we are going to have those of you thinking of making some little bit of designs. This is the right program. We will be having a tutorial on that also, so stay tuned. There are a lot of playlists that we have on this channel. You'll be having a whole lot of it. Those of you who are looking for places to enjoy, we also have a wonderful channel that shares those kind of a thing. I will share with you later. Thank you. Let's quickly move on. So the next one is Outlook. You know, Outlook is used for sending emails and all those kind of a thing. Most of the offices the offices nowadays are requesting employees because this is what they communicate with, aside Microsoft Teams and all those other ones. So quickly, let's move on. For Outlook, we are going to be typing this, just like we are running a command. So let's try it. So like somebody will say, right click on start button, go to this place, go to that place, go to that place. These ones are very quick to launch. You don't have to be worrying about going somewhere. No, this is very easy to launch, very quick to open. Thank you. I hope you are also enjoying it. Leave us a comment, let me know if you are enjoying, and then don't forget to add your country. Thank you. Let's move on quickly. I don't want this tutorial to be long at all. We are only left with one. Back to the last one, which is Microsoft OneNote. I know most of you might have not heard of Microsoft OneNote especially those of you who are completely beginners and seeking to starting something with these softwares. OneNote is like a notepad, but with Microsoft. So don't I will have a tutorial on this one for you. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you would also want to have those tutorials. Which of the tutorials are you expecting soonest, so that I start from there? Thank you. But for OneNote 2, you will be running, and then okay, what are you going to be typing for OneNote? It is also just like Outlook. This one is also like pushing a command. So you put up your run and then you type OneNote dot execute, and then you have OneNote opening for you. So this is the interface of OneNote. OneNote, I use it a lot. You see, I have a lot of notes over here. Quickly, that is it. Thank you so much for joining this tutorial. Don't forget, this tutorial was proudly brought to you by Super J Site Business and Services. Follow us on our social media handles, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our content if you find wisdom, and then, or let's say, if you find it worthwhile to recommend to people. Comment, let me know, like our videos, and see you in our next video. God bless you.